Even though most diesel engines are built to last, there are only a few of them that have proven to be bulletproof. We've done a lot of research on the top 10 bulletproof diesel engines that are reliable and can stand the test of time. So let's take a look. Stay tuned to the end to find out the unique features of our #1 most bulletproof diesel engine. Labeled as the million-mile motor by many users, engine number 10 is the backbone for medium-duty trucks and school buses. The International DT466 was first introduced in 1977 and was initially available in mechanical fuel injection. However, by 1982, it was upgraded to an electronic fuel injection system which was developed by Bosch and featured a rotary distributor pump. This engine has excellent torque-to-power ratio, with the maximum horsepower being 170 to 350 and the maximum torque being 860 pound-feet. The lifespan of the International DT466 is said to easily surpass 500,000 miles, and at the end of the day, the lifespan depends on multiple factors, such as maintenance practices, operating conditions, and usage patterns. It's said to be a very durable engine, and many users claim to have even surpassed 1 million miles with their DT466. In order to do this, the engine needs to be maintained properly with things like regular oil and filter changes, as well as tune-ups. Number 9 is the Toyota 1.4 D4D. Despite facing issues with their previous 2.0 and 2.2 AD diesel engine family, Toyota finally managed to make one of the greatest diesel engines in recent times. This engine's installed in many Toyota vehicles such as the Yaris, Corolla, and Urban Cruiser. It's also the smallest engine the company's produced. This engine averages about 100,000 to 150,000 miles and can also go up to 250,000 miles. It features an intercooler, an EGR valve, a variable geometry turbocharger, and an aluminum block, making it the first Japanese-made diesel engine with an aluminum block. Initially, the 1.4 D4D produced just 75 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque. However, in 2004, a new variant of the engine was introduced which increased the horsepower to 90 and 150 pound-feet of torque. The overall reliability of this engine is quite high, and the chances of it failing are low, despite high mileage. Manufactured from 1998 to 2010, engine number 8 is said to be BMW's best diesel engine ever created. The M57 generally produces anywhere from 150 to 286 horsepower and 221 to 580 pound-feet of torque, while the Dakar Rally version produces 320 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque. The M57 was introduced with 3 different displacements, the 2.5, 2.9, and 3.0 liters. Along with it, they included various accessories like a Bosch injector, a double-mass flywheel, a variable geometry turbocharger, and a diesel particulate filter. But its most notable feature, and what makes this engine stand out as the best, is the common rail injection system. Claimed to average about 250,000 miles, this engine's installed in many BMW vehicles such as the X Series and the Land Rover Range Rover 3. At number 7, we have the Honda K Series, which replaced the B Series and was first introduced in 2001. The K20, K23, and K24 are some of the best diesel engines produced by Honda with outstanding reliability. Initially, it produced up to 221 horsepower and 159 pound-feet of torque. However, a later variant with turbocharging and direct injection increased the horsepower to 306 with 296 pound-feet of torque. While the K23 engines were all turbocharged with 240 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. The most recent and widely preferred engine is the K24, which is installed in many Honda vehicles, such as the Accord, Odyssey, the 9th generation Civic C, etc. This engine produces up to 206 horsepower with 182 pound-feet of torque. These engines are claimed to average about 200,000 miles. Moving forward to engine number 6, we have the Ford 6.7-liter Power Stroke, which replaced the 6.4-liter Power Stroke and was manufactured by International Navistar. Since the 6.7-liter was made in-house, i.e. by Ford itself, it became the first Power Stroke engine in over 30 years that was not supplied by Navistar. Even though the latest version of the 6.7-liter engine is proven to be reliable and exceptionally durable, the initial version was faced with many issues that Ford managed to fix over time, creating one of the best diesel engines the company has. This engine generates 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. The 6.7-liter Power Stroke averages about 200,000 miles, and some users claim that if it's properly maintained, it can go up to 500 to 800,000 miles. Despite being a part of the 2015 scandal known as Dieselgate, where millions of Volkswagen diesel cars were recalled, the 1.9 TDI VP is still regarded as one of the most reliable engines out there. Designed with simple accessories, this engine was produced in 3 versions, with 75, 90, and 110 horsepower with 177 pound-feet of torque. All of them use a Bosch rotary pump and feature a fuel delivery system. The 1.9 TDI VP is included in many Volkswagen Audi Group and gained popularity due to its low fuel consumption and exceptional dynamics. Known for its longevity and durability, this engine can easily last for over 200,000 miles, and with proper maintenance can also go up to more than 300,000 miles. Moving to number 4, the Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine series stands out because it introduced electronic controls to the trucking industry, demonstrating that technology and reliability can coexist. This Detroit Diesel engine control technology included many features, such as shutdown timers, fault history and record keeping, engine diagnostic functions, speed limiting controllers, automatic stall prevention, and cruise control. This cruise control technology was quite popular among fleet managers due to its fuel-saving function. This system also allowed users to access engine management reports for things like records of overspeeding, excessive idle time, etc. This system allowed users to change the horsepower settings. This easy-to-operate system made the Diesel Series 60 engines immensely popular, with the company producing many variants under the Series 60, with the latest version producing 575 horsepower and up to 1,650 pound-feet of torque. At number 3, we have the 6.6-liter Duramax LB7, which was introduced by General Motors in 2001 as a replacement for the Detroit Diesel Corporation DDC V8 engine. The introduction of this engine established GM as a legitimate competitor in the diesel engine market. This engine is known to produce anywhere between 235 to 300 horsepower and 500 to 525 pound-feet of torque. Along with the turbocharger and intercooler, GM included a new technology in the engine, the Bosch Common Rail Injector. The Duramax 6.6-liter engine is featured in the first-generation Chevrolet Silverado HD and GMC Sierra HD. The average mileage for this engine is 200,000 miles, but it can also go up to 500,000 miles if maintained properly. Regarded as durable, affordable, and reliable, this engine is also recognized for its low emission levels. The runner-up spot goes to OM617. Mercedes was a fan favorite in the 70s and 80s for their diesel engines. They were considered the lead manufacturer for the passenger vehicle motors. However, in 1974, they produced what went on to be their most well-known motor in the diesel community, the OM617. It's claimed that this engine doesn't need to be rebuilt ever, even after 1 million miles on it, which reflects on its durability. Equipped with a fully mechanical motor with fuel injection, this engine can generate 80 to 100 horsepower and 130 to 160 pound-feet of torque. 4 years after its initial release, Mercedes installed a turbo to this motor, resulting in higher horsepower and torque. On number 1 on our list, we have none other than the Ram Cummins 6.7-liter engine, which is claimed by many users to be highly reliable and durable. Ram's been producing diesel engines for quite some time now, with the 5.9-liter and now the 6.7-liter, which is featured in many vehicles such as the Ram pickup trucks, commercial trucks like the Chassis Cab series, and the Ford F650 and 750. In the Ram trucks, it produces 350 to 420 horsepower and 610 to 1,075 pound-feet of torque. In the commercial trucks, it generates 305 to 306 horsepower and 610 to 800 pound-feet of torque. In the Ford trucks, the Ram engine generates 200 to 360 horsepower and 520 to 800 pound-feet of torque. The mileage for this engine averages about 250,000 to 300,000 miles. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Let us know in the comments down below what engine you think is the most reliable.